Fremontodendron californicum, with the common names California flannelbush, California fremontia, and flannelbush, is a flowering shrub native to diverse habitats in southwestern North America. Distribution: Fremontodendron californicum is found in numerous habitats across California at elevations of 1,300–6,500 feet, especially California chaparral and woodlands, yellow pine forests, and pinyon-juniper woodlands along the eastern San Joaquin Valley. It is found along the eastern San Joaquin Valley in the western foothills of the Sierra Nevada in chalky, sandy, nutritionally poor soils, on the east slope Cascade Range foothills of the northwest Sacramento Valley and the Klamath Mountains to the west. The California Coast Ranges throughout the state, the Transverse Ranges, and the Peninsula Ranges. It is also found in small, isolated populations in the mountains of central and western Arizona, in the Arizona Transition Zone Mogron Rim region, primarily in the Mazatlan Mountains and Superstition Mountains. It is also found from central to northern Baja California state, in isolated chaparral locales in the Peninsula Ranges. Description: the plant is a flowering evergreen hardwood shrub, a small multi-trunk tree, growing to 8 to 18 feet in height and 6 to 10 feet in width. The 1 to 5 centimeters leaves are olive to gray-green, fuzzy and flannel-like, palmately to pinnately lobed. The hairs covering the leaves are easily brushed off in human contact, and can be a skin and eye irritant. The large flowers are 35 to 60 millimeters in diameter, a rich yellow, sometimes with orange, coppery, or reddish margins. Their blossoms are borne in great showy masses, and tend to bloom one at a time. Each petal has an attractive curved shape that comes to a point. Taxonomy: Fremontodendron californicum is one of 3 species in the genus Fremontodendron, the others being Fremontodendron mexicanum and Fremontodendron decumbens. Former subspecies have formerly included Fremontodendron californicum ssp. Decumbens, pine hill flannelbush, reclassified as Fremontodendron decumbens. A decumbent and low-spreading form, 3 feet in height and 6 feet in width, has yellow-orange flowers, and is endemic to the Sierra Nevada foothills. Nearly all of the individuals of this subspecies are found in the Pine Hill Ecological Reserve in El Dorado County. In nature, it only grows in metal-rich gabbro soil, a red-weathered soil of volcanic origin. It requires fire for seed germination, but as the nature reserve is near human settlements, fire ecology is suppressed. It is a federally listed endangered species. Fremontodendron californicum ssp. Californicum, California fremontia, now reclassified as the species Fremontodendron californicum. Fremontodendron californicum ssp. Napensis, Napa fremontia. The current Jepson does not recognize this subspecies, using Fremontodendron californicum, but the form is different enough that it is horticulturally recognized by this name. It is typically smaller and more open in form than the species, with much smaller leaves and flowers. It grows 6 to 15 feet in height and 4 to 12 feet in width. Uses: medicinal. As a traditional Native American medicinal plant, the inner bark sap that was used as a topical remedy for mucous membrane irritation and for gastrointestinal upset by some of the indigenous peoples of California. The wood was also used by the Californian Yokut and Kauai Sioux peoples as a building and furniture material. and a bark for cordage and for nets used in acorn cache holding and snare hunting. Cultivation. Fremontodendron californicum is cultivated as an ornamental plant by specialty plant nurseries for planting in native plant, drought-tolerant, and wildlife gardens, and in natural landscaping and habitat restoration projects. Cultivated plants need good drainage and no supplemental summer water when established. Fremontodendron californicum ssp. decumbens is the most garden-tolerant of all fremontia, and can also be used in large pots and planters. Hybrids. There are several named hybrids of Fremontodendron californicum and Fremontodendron mexicanum in the horticultural trade. They include Fremontodendron California Glory, lemon yellow flowers with a reddish tinge, grows 20 feet in height by 20 feet in width. It is the winner of the Award of Garden Merit from the California Horticultural Society in 1965, and received a first-class certificate from the Royal Horticultural Society in 1967. Fremontodendron Kentala, golden flowers with a darker orange outside petals in the spring and summer, and grows to only 5 feet in height by 8 to 10 feet in width. Fremontodendron Darras Gold, golden flowers over a long period from late winter through early summer, grows 3 feet in height by 6 to 8 feet in width. A hybrid between Fremontodendron decumbens and Fremontodendron mexicanum. Fremontodendron San Gabriel, 10 to 18 feet in height by 8 to 12 feet in width, suitable for an espalier.